This week in AI was absolutely insane. We got confirmation that GPT-5 is launching in August. Trump just dropped a 2 trillion AI action plan, and NVIDIA is making a shocking comeback in China. If you have been sleeping on AI developments, this is a week that changes everything. I'm your host Abhijit and welcome to AI Automation Weekly. Before we dive into these 8 game-changing stories, make sure to smash that subscribe button because the AI world is moving at light speed right now. Every week brings developments that could reshape entire industries. Today we are covering everything from GPT-5's August launch to a $16.5 billion chip deal that's going to power the future of autonomous vehicles. Let's get into it. Our first story is huge. The Verge is reporting that OpenAI is preparing to launch GPT-5 as early as August 2025. But here is what makes this different. This isn't just another language model upgrade. GPT-5 is what OpenAI calls unified intelligence. Imagine a system that seamlessly blends text, voice, document analysis, image understanding, and real-time internet access all in one interface. Sam Altman has been teasing this for months, and now we have concrete details. This won't be a single massive model like GPT-4. Instead, it's a system of specialized models with smart routing. So when you ask a coding question, it routes to the coding specialist. When you ask about images, it goes to the vision expert. This is the future of AI architecture, folks. The timeline has been shifting. Originally summer 2025, but sources now say early August. And get this, they are planning mini and nano versions too, making this accessible across different use cases and price points. Now let's talk about something that's going to reshape American AI policy for years to come. On July 23rd, the Trump administration released America's AI Action Plan, a comprehensive 25-page strategy with one goal: achieve global AI dominance. This plan has 3 main pillars. First, accelerate AI innovation through massive deregulation. They are literally removing regulatory barriers and taking a build baby build approach. Second, build American AI infrastructure. We are talking about fast tracking data centers, semiconductor manufacturing, and energy systems. Third, lead in international AI diplomacy and security. Here is the kicker. They want to establish American AI as the global standard. Think about how everyone uses Windows or Google. They want that level of dominance for UI AI systems worldwide. The plan also takes aim at what they call woke AI. They are requiring federal agencies to use ideologically neutral AI systems. Whether you agree with the politics or not, this is going to fundamentally change how AI is developed and deployed in America. Speaking of challenges, Anthropic just had to implement emergency usage limits because their users were literally breaking their system. Starting August 28th, Claude Pro and Max users will face weekly rate limits because people have been running Claude Code 24/7 in the background. Get this, one user consumed tens of thousands of dollars in model usage on a $200 monthly plan. That's not a typo. Anthropic says some users are treating Claude Code like a always on service, and it's costing them massive amounts in compute resources. This tells us 2 things. First, Claude Code is so good that developers can't stop using it. Second, we are hitting the practical limits of current AI pricing models. When users can generate $10,000 plus in usage cost on a $200 plan, something has to give. The new limits will only affect about 5% of users. But this is a preview of challenges all AI companies will face as these tools become more powerful and addictive. Now for some genuinely mind-blowing news. Google DeepMind just achieved something that seemed impossible. Their AI system got a gold medal performance on the International Mathematical Olympiad, scoring 35 out of 42 points. But here is what makes this revolutionary. Previous AI systems needed human experts to translate problems into programming language and then translate the solutions back to English. DeepMind's new system called DeepThink does everything in natural language, end to end. This is a phase transition moment in AI capabilities. We are talking about sustained creative thinking and complex mathematical reasoning that rivals the world's top high school students. This isn't just pattern matching, this is genuine problem solving intelligence. The implications are staggering. If AI can handle international math Olympiad problems in natural language, imagine what it can do for scientific research, engineering challenges, and complex business problems. Here's a story that has massive geopolitical implications. NVIDIA just placed a huge order for 300,000 H2O AI chips specifically designed for the Chinese market after the Trump administration lifted trade restrictions earlier this month. This is adding to NVIDIA's existing inventory of 600,000 to 700,000 H2O chips. For context, research firm Semi-Analysis estimates NVIDIA sold about 1 million H2O chips in 2024. So this is a massive production ramp-up. The H2O chip was specifically designed to comply with US export restrictions. It's a modified version of NVIDIA's powerful H100 processor. But here is the interesting part. There is already a booming repair market in China for banned NVIDIA chips, with companies fixing up to 500 chips per month. This shows the incredible demand for AI compute power in China and how market forces eventually find a way around political restrictions. NVIDIA stock hit record highs on this news. Speaking of massive chip deals, Samsung just signed a $16.5 billion contract with Tesla to manufacture their next generation AI 6 chips. This is one of the largest semiconductor deals in Samsung's history. The deal spans 8 years through 2033 and will use Samsung's upcoming 2 nanometer process technology at their new Texas facility. Elon Musk confirmed he'll personally oversee progress at the plant, showing how critical this is to Tesla's AI roadmap. The AI6 chip will power Tesla's autonomous driving systems, the Optimus humanoid robot, and future AI training infrastructure. This isn't just about cars. Tesla is positioning itself as a major AI hardware player. This deal also revitalizes Samsung's Texas fab, which had faced uncertainty due to construction delays. Now it's positioned as a key player in the global semiconductor race, competing directly with TSMC. Meta just pulled off one of the biggest talent acquisitions in AI history. They hired Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang along with former GitHub CEO Nat Friedman to lead a new Meta Super Intelligence Labs division. This comes after Meta reportedly offered $100 million signing bonuses to poach talent from OpenAI and other AI companies. Mark Zuckerberg's goal? Build super intelligence for everyone. This is part of a massive talent war happening right now. Microsoft has been poaching Google DeepMind researchers. OpenAI is losing people to massive signing bonuses, and everyone is fighting for the best AI minds. Meta is also expanding their AI video editing features and business AI assistants for WhatsApp. They are clearly betting big that AI will be the next major platform shift. Our final story shows AI's incredible potential beyond tech companies. Google DeepMind just released Aeneas, an AI model that helps archaeologists decode ancient Roman inscriptions. Trained on nearly 200,000 Latin inscriptions spanning from the 7th century BC to the 8th century AD, Aeneas provides helpful context in 90% of cases. Cambridge professor Mary Beard called it transformative. This shows AI's potential as a research partner, not replacement. It's democratizing archaeological research and helping us understand ancient civilizations in ways that weren't possible before. What a week! From GPT-5's August launch to trillion-dollar action plans, we are witnessing the fastest AI evolution in history. The key takeaway? AI isn't just getting more powerful. It's becoming more accessible, more specialized, and more integrated into every aspect of society. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe for next week's breakdown. The AI world moves fast and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment and let me know which story surprised you most. Until next time, keep riding the AI wave. Thank you.